Art leads to the living room. The living room furniture, it's from an online auction. A simple kitchen is just where it should be. And odd objects enhance a windowsill and just might inspire more art. This is Ed Nijelski's house, a former auto body shop turned into gallery, studio, and home. He steps from Hamilton Harbor, where long walks spark inspiration.
What I'm doing is I'm cutting canvas. I'm sort of weaving the canvas onto the frame and then painting into it. I'm creating three-dimensional sort of textile, woven, painted pieces.
Nijelski spent 40 years in commercial real estate in Toronto. He was in the thick of Queen Street West reinvention. So a body shop, yep, that's no problem turning into a home. Home for big, paint-heavy works and a kind of 60s joyful joyride. Watch for him on the waterfront, where he collects sticks and stones that might make a cameo on canvas. I'm Kathy Renwald for TheSpec.com.